In this demo, we will learn how to send automated emails using n8n. First, I will create a new workflow and rename it for better organization. Every workflow starts with a trigger. Here, we use a manual trigger to start the workflow. Now I will add the Gmail action node to send an email. Now I will select the connected Gmail account. Here, I enter the recipient email, subject, and message content. Now I connect the trigger to the Gmail node. Let's execute the workflow. The workflow has executed successfully and the email has been sent. As we can see, the email has been received successfully. The workflow starts with the trigger and then sends the email using the Gmail node. This is how we can send automated emails using n8n.